Kathy's excited for that nice hill climb there. So, Kath, there's a little bit of a hill.
There's a little bit of a hill and there are a lot of wind gusts, and I keep telling myself, we're almost there. But I don't think we're almost
there. So, Kathy made it through the wind. What do you think, Kat?
It's pretty amazing. I've never seen it. Yes?
Is blowing through these this valley. It's very warm because it's lava. This is kind of the last hill before you see the main place. But you look down there on the side, it's bursting green, and the lava keeps moving right by it. We're surrounded by a sea of lava.
We are.
And wind.
And lots of wind.
All right, we're waiting here for the next kind of eruption. It used to be continuous, but now it's like big spurts every 10 minutes. And the wind died down for a second, so you can actually probably hear me. Looking good there, Kath. Easy hike? What's the worst part, the elevation or the wind?
The wind.
It does feel like it's going to push you into the lava. See it hiking up? It gives you perspective how big it is. What do you think, Kath? What are you getting hit by? Oh, it's just blowing glass. This is a little stadium where everybody sits in the rocks to try to get out of the wind and wait for the next eruption. It's probably starting. It starts with a little trickle lower right there. There it goes. Ooh. Those little glass pellets hurt?
Yeah, and there was a big burst behind you of them, so yeah, it's pretty impressive.
Look at her.